Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shemala Pullen tells us about diabetes in children.
The health report is... A few years ago, most children had type 1 diabetes where the body does not make insulin. Insulin helps sugar enter the cells for energy, so without it, sugar stays in the blood. Now, type 2 diabetes is now becoming more common in children.
Normally, depending on the country where you are, 95% of diabetes would be more of the adult type, with only about 5% being the children's type. But that is changing, and you're seeing an increase in the number of children with the adult type. So you're moving almost into 98% of the diabetes you're seeing, right, is of the adult type.
Children are more likely to get type 2 diabetes if they are overweight, inactive, or have a family history of diabetes. Some ethnic groups have a higher risk, including African American, Hispanic, and Caribbean.
One has to be aware of a number of problems that diabetes can cause in children, even before the diagnosis is made. A child may be inattentive in the class, may be disruptive, disorder, behavior, unacceptable and so on. It's not the child is necessarily rude, as we'd call it, but the underlying diabetes that may be there, slowly raising its head, may be presenting in this kind of abnormal behavior.
Other signs and symptoms include feeling very thirsty, urinating often, feeling very tired, losing weight without trying, and blurred vision. Diabetes cannot be cured, but it can be controlled.
The child who has diabetes most likely will be the type of diabetes that has to be managed by the administering of an injection of insulin. Because in that kind of age group, they under 15 and so on, they tend to have a damaged pancreas, which is not producing insulin. So we have to go and give them that insulin. And the management of that condition is they will require the insulin for the rest of life. No, it is not something that they can just be at home administering willy-nilly. They need to be under the care, supervision of a clinic.
Children should also maintain a healthy weight, stay physically active, eat healthy foods in smaller portions, and limit screen time. With your health report, I'm Shemala Pullen wishing you good health. The health report is brought to you